friends, welcome to Easy Creations. I am Garima and today I will tell you how to make this beautiful birthday banner. Take 9 by 12 cm blue color paper and cut it as shown. Now paste the cutout on a brown color paper measuring 10 by 15 centimeter. Cut the lower portion as shown. Make 7 blue and 6 pink color similar cutouts. Now follow the instructions to cut the alphabets step by step to make the letters for our birthday banner. After cutting alphabets, paste them on the cutouts you have prepared. Add glitter on the outer lining of the alphabets. Now paste Paste the cutout over the got thread for hanging the banner as shown. So friends, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you friends. Bye bye.